Hey, good morning, Bob from Trade Genius, 16th of April, and I want to just show you four charts, a little bit more detail, and this assumes that by the time the market opens Sunday night, we're not in a war with North Korea, which I don't think we're going to have. I think we sabotaged that missile launch, and I think the Chinese are working behind the scenes now. So you can see the carrot and stick with Trump. The carrot is more and favorable trade with China. The stick is that we'll call you a currency manipulator and start winding trade down. So start putting the various factions within China at odds with each other. People who support North Korea and those that support making money with us. So I highly doubt we're going to go to war with these people. But never say never. But my assumption is that we won't by the time the market opens on Sunday. And so here's my view. So we held the weekly pivot here, went below it, hit above. This is kind of a channel line. Touched that as well. And now we're going into OPEX. And for the last 2 weeks, they've been really grinding on this market. So a lot of people built up short positions and built up put positions. I wouldn't be surprised to see this market pop up into this range here. I highly doubt we're going to get all the way up to here. But if we have weakness and you're not in the market yet and you're trading in futures, I would buy each of these weekly pivots. And money flow is set up, stochastics are set up. You get any kind of push higher, I think it'll explode. And you have the VIX that's up 40% in what, 3 days? On what? Earnings that aren't going to be that good? I don't think so. It's all about going to war. So I think we're going to see some relief with UVXY, XIV, and I think we'll see relief with ES. But we'll see how it opens. So the next one is oil, though, is that we definitely have a head and shoulders pattern here. Clear as day. I think the whole oil thing has just been a massive manipulation. We're just drowning in oil. I think we're going down. So look at the point of control here for CL. We get back below 52.90, 52.80. We're going to drop to 52.70. I really wouldn't do anything on the short side, until you get underneath this point of control. This may provide some support. And then once it goes, it's going to drop all the way down to here. My view, it matches the measured move. So this is a move that you're not going to micro trade it. If you just could be patient, you'll pick up $1,500 a contract here by the end of the week. My view. So just keep an eye on that. And then we have natural gas, which is even another head and shoulder pattern. I pushed out to the 60 moving average. The 60 time frame, and you can see the shoulder. We're at the top here. We break the point of control here. I'd wait for that, and if it doesn't break and it goes up to here, I would probably short this next pivot area. But I'm definitely looking to get short. I've been talking about selling some call spreads on UNG, which I'll do, and I'll probably go short NG in right at this point of control, and I'll probably wait till Monday before I do anything. But I think we're going to go under $3 for natural gas. And then we have IWM, which is one I've been short, and I've been waiting for this thing to break down for some time. And I don't think it really matters if ES holds up. I think IWM is in trouble. And we could get a bounce here up to this pivot, and then we're coming back down. So measured move, though, if we break this next neckline is 128, and so I think we're gonna get to that point here between now and next 6 weeks. So anyways, Bob from Trade Genius thought I'd show you a few extra charts here. Gold, talked about it in my video yesterday. There's nothing really showing technically on it. It's just that the thing with the miners on Friday was kind of interesting to me, and I don't know if that's foreshadowing weakness in gold and silver for next week. Just something to be cautious about. Anyway, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Bye.